welcome back to Splash Adventures. Let's watch these crazy water slide fails. Okay, let's get into the first one. Oh my god, what hope they can swim. Oh, zip line. Okay. Oh my lord. These are... She was just trying to raft right there. Oh my god, on a swim. Oh my days. She did not just do that. What is the old guy doing right here? Oh no, I don't even... Oh my god.
Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez.
Oh my god. Oh my lord. Wow. Oh my god. She is flying right now. She has wings. Oh man. Face first. Oh, all three of them? Oh my lord. She is upside down. Help her up! Oh my lord, he's slipping. Oh, it looks like they're trying to fill in the pool right now too. There's so many clips. They're all back to back to back to back. How am I supposed to react to them all? Oh my god! They're on like a raft right here and they fell over the other girls right here. What is happening? They just jumped around them. They just jumped over them. Was that a fish? Oh my god, it was a fish! Oh my god, there's so many fish! Oh my god, there's so many fish! How is he even staying? This would be the best time to fish. That is not how you surf. What are they doing? Oh my god, he almost took out this little girl. Oh my god, why do they surf like that? You don't just throw it on the ground. Yeah,
Oh, Joshua.
oh my god.
All on film.
You are not. He is not playing volleyball, beach volleyball, pool volleyball actually, with his son. He's using his son as a volleyball.
Get that? Yeah.
Oh, zip lining. That water right here looks, oh, disgusting. Look how brown. That's a nice wave. Oh my god, that wave almost knocked her out. I think she just sunk them all. She got them all. Yeah, we know. What? I'm at a loss for words. What just happened? Oh my god, there's so many like slip fails. People cannot walk on water today.
Oh god. You gotta go faster.
She just tried to slip and slide on her face. Well, she is laughing right here. She knows they're recording.
I knew there'd be a good reason to film it.
Run up first, bitch. Go, 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 go.
Oh no,
go.
he's. Oh my god! Face first, not even in the. Look at him holding his face right here. Not even in the pool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everyone's just slipping right now. Oh my. Oh, okay. Look at the dog. The dog is watching the fail.
Go for it.
Oh. Oh my god. I can't watch any of the fails. The fails are ridiculous because I know all of these have probably happened to me before. I've had so many fails at pools, at water parks, slipping and sliding, stings by bees. Oh, this is an actual water slide right here. Let's see what happens. Regular water slide so far, actually. Oh, this is a pretty cool one. It just goes up and down. Oh man. He fell off of the water. He fell off of the raft. Oh, that's so cool. I want a dolphin.
No.
What am I watching right now? This is not going to be good right here. I could already tell what's going on right here. He's about to do some flip, hit his head on the edge. What is that flip? He just he went back first. Oh my god, guy birds. I think this one they're trying to put the water all the way in the back. So they have a bucket and they gotta pour in the bucket and this she just poured it all over her. Oh my god, she did a really good job though. am I even watching right now? Look at this big guy. Oh my lord.
Oh my god.
What is happening? People just can't walk. These fails are ridiculous. All of these fails are preventable. They just have to learn how to walk. Oh my god. Oh no, please don't. Oh my god. This is crazy. It's like hurting my head to watch every one of these fails. Oh no. Oh my lord, bro. He's about to flip off or something. Yeah, he's about to fall. He's about to fall right now. No, oh, no, it's over. Oh my god. He flipped it. Oh my god. I want to go to one of these so bad. It's like you surf on the wave. It's like automatic waves inside this little thing right here. You get on board and they help you surf. Oh, Granny's about to fall. Oh, Granny's about to fall. Oh, Granny's falling. Granny fell. Granny fell.
Okay, wait a minute.
What happened? Oh, slip and sliding. Oh man, that looks like it hurt with the slip and slide. I know that hurt. Oh, there's always a dog in the background. All the dogs want to say like, oh, what's going on? Can you walk?
Oh my god.
Oh man, everyone has experienced one of these before. When you're on the edge of the pool and you accidentally slip and then you hit the actual edge of the pool, the outside. Please don't slip. Oh man, this is totally, oh god. Oh my god. It's like she rolled in, got dirty, fell, and then the water hit her back. Oh man, like double fail. She fell twice. You don't get in that way. Oh man. Oh, that's pretty cool actually. Oh no. It flipped. I want to send so bad. That's exactly what they do to me though.
No more.
Ethan! 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 What are you doing, Ethan?
I can't see Ethan.
Neither can I. This kid right here is enjoying every minute of it. Oh man. What are you doing, dude? You are not good.
Oh my god.
Oh man, help her up!
5, 2.
Oh my god. She just went face first into the water. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's soaking wet now. It's probably freezing out there.
Dude, get up!
Please don't slip. You don't surf like this. Why does everybody try to surf like that? Every time it doesn't work. Oh, she's doing. Oh, she was doing okay. Oh, the dog is doggy pedaling. He has a stick. Do it. Slide. Slide.
Yes, we're gonna save you.
They're not gonna save you though. They're not gonna save you. They're lying. No. Oh my.
Oh my god, I think I fucking
Video that.
What just happened? What is going on here? The kid is up. She stole the floaty from him and she definitely got instant karma from that one. Okay guys, that's what we call it in this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, I will be uploading a part 2 to this video.